Okay, so this is the procedure for the determination of the half-life of a radioactive isotope, in which you will be determining the half-life of radioactive barium. And we have the isotope generator, which contains the barium sample. This is the eluting solution, which is what we use to wash out the barium from the generator. And the procedure is we draw some of the eluting solution into the syringe, insert the syringe into the generator, and slowly squeeze out several drops of the liquid into the aluminum planchet. And then from there, we start to record data. And the data is recorded in 10-second intervals, the number of counts in a 10-second interval for the period of 10 minutes. And you will be given the raw count numbers, and it will be up to you to subtract off the appropriate background value and then take the natural log of that difference and plot that versus time, and then follow the procedure outlined in the manual to determine the half-life.